things that we could improve on. First one is build quality. With the sheer scale of the Concorde wing, it was interesting to figure out manufacturing methods. We've looked over laser cutting, we've looked over CNC milling, 3D printing. We eventually ended up going with 3D printing. We found a source that printed the parts accurately and fast. It was a good turnaround. It was usually done over the span of a weekend, and then we could get into the further construction a lot faster. With the Boeing wing being much smaller, it was a lot easier to manufacture, a lot easier to print. But consideration can be made for future projects with model wings, where maybe if we decided to go down the path of laser cutting, we would find that the ribs would be easier manufactured. This kind of comes into question when you consider a full 3D model like this. It has girth at the end that eventually tapers down. CNC milling would be a better suit for that, but availability, time, and training definitely impacted our materials and construction. Furthermore, we could have gone with more angles of attack. We could have done dozens of more data points, but due to the fact that we were running low on time, we figured that 0 degrees, 5, 10, and -5 were enough to accurately show the behavior of these wings, and that we can make conclusions based off of those. And then something that we have figured out during the manufacturing process were the pressure taps. We found that some of these poked out a little too high. That prevented us from accurately collecting data out of those taps. Luckily, we had multiple that was in level with the rest of the wing, so we were able to collect more data there. But just something to keep in mind in the future.
As we were developing the locations of the static pressure